Hello. Please leave a message after the tone.
Hey, Georgia. Just wanted to call again and see if you'd be down to hang out this weekend. It's just been a while and I don't know, I miss being able to actually talk to you.
I can't.
What?
I wish I could, okay? But I've got this worm I have to take care of for a biology project. Plus a whole college essay due tomorrow night, which I haven't even started yet.
Georgia, I'm sure the worm's gonna be fine if you just take a night off.
Look, I already have this whole month planned out. I can't afford to take a break. If I fall behind, how's that gonna look to colleges?
Okay, but you can't keep this up forever. You're gonna end up running yourself into the ground. I'm pretty sure even if your worm was a human, even he'd tell you to chill out. What
Good
was-
night, Linda.
Georgia?
I'm sorry. Do I really need to chill? This is so stupid. Terry?
Georgia, are you still here? You're gonna be late for school.
Your turn. Oh my god, oh my god. It's a worm. A worm's so
Hey, Georgia, where's your worm project? Georgia?
great. Worm project tanked. College essay due tonight, which I still don't even know what I'm writing about. And now. Terry. Okay. We'll get you a quick snack and I'll figure this whole thing out. I'm setting a timer. Come. I'm supposed to be in school right now. Cut it out. Terry, wait. You're supposed to look before you cross. I can't imagine what it must have been like, being a worm. Terry, that's not... It must have been so easy in that box. Eating apples all day. Not a single responsibility. Terry, are you done yet? Terry, oh my god, what are you... I'm so sorry. No, it's
You guys
okay.
are good. You guys are good. Yeah, he seems like it. Come on.
Like, I feel like there's so much I'm supposed to do, but so little time to actually do it. For me? Oh, thanks, Terry. Time is just the one thing I can't seem to control, no matter how hard I try. The bathroom's right here, Terry. You'll figure it out. I hope. I just wish I didn't have to sometimes. But maybe it's okay that time's out of my hands. worms never stopped to eat, we wouldn't have the dirt we stand on.
Terry, are you still hungry? Come on, I have an idea.
And so, as I prepare to embark on my next journey through college, hopefully I'll remember to take it easy and appreciate the time I do have. Who would have guessed? Of all the things, a worm taught me to really listen to what's inside and stay grounded. What do you think? Well, let's not waste any more time. Ta-da! Apple pie.